When cleaner, safer air matters, the Rutlands air scrubber removes contaminants quickly and reliably. It's perfectly suited for home renovation and decorating, construction, remediation, odour control, or anywhere airborne dust and contaminants need to be removed. Powered by a quiet-running, high-efficiency motor, the air scrubber delivers up to 930 cubic metres of airflow per hour. A 3-stage filtration system captures particles at every level. A MERV 10 pre-filter removes larger airborne particles and mould spores before passing through an activated carbon filter that traps odours, hazardous fumes, and volatile organic compounds. The final stage is an H13 HEPA filter, capturing 99.97% of airborne particles down to 0.3 microns, including fine dust, respirable crystalline silica, and other harmful microscopic contaminants. The control panel is simple and intuitive to operate, providing airflow output adjustment to match the environment, while a timer counts the total accumulative runtime up to 2,000 hours, triggering an indicator light to signal when it's time to replace the filter. An auxiliary outlet on the control panel provides power to other tools and equipment and allows multiple units to be daisy-chained together, ideal for larger spaces. Weighing just over 15 kilograms and fitted with a foldable carry handle, the air scrubber is easy for one person to transport, and the units stack neatly for compact storage between jobs. Cleaner air and safer workspaces with the Rutlands air scrubber.